Hi cuties, today we are going to learn farm animals. Farm animals names in English. Let's get started. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Ox, O-X, ox. Buffalo, Buffalo, buffalo. Llama, Llama, llama. Dog, Dog, dog. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share among your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.